Hello everybody and welcome to another video, and in this video I am going to show you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So basically I will be showing you how to do it. This video is probably going to be in 3 parts. So yeah, let's get started. Oops. So to start, first we need to mix up the cube. Okay, so once you have the cube all mixed up, you're going to make a white cross. Oops. So basically, you need to make a white cross that looks like this. Now you need to match up the centers. So find the white and the orange match. The red and the green do not match. The green and the red don't match, but the blue and the blue match. So that means that you need to swap this piece with this piece. So basically how to do that is, so you need to hold it like that. With the other piece you need to swap on the right. Oops. Right down, bottom 2 left, front right, bottom 2 right, right up, and now you have all those matched up. So now you need to match up the white with the white, and you need to get a piece like this. See how this is white, orange, and green? You need to find white, white, and then you need to find orange and green. So once you do that, you need to take the white and do this algorithm with that piece right there. Right down, bottom left, right up. And now you have filled in this piece. Now you need to do that with all the pieces. So here we have blue and orange and white. Here you have the white. Now find the blue, and the blue part needs to be facing you. Blue and orange right there. So do the same algorithm. Right down, bottom left, right up. And now you have that piece in. And do it again for this piece. Find green and red. So there's green, there's red. And then right down, bottom left, right up. And then do it again. Now if it's like this, you're going to do this algorithm. So if the white piece is on the bottom, oops, you are going to do this algorithm. So it's on the bottom right there. Right down, bottom left twice, right up, bottom right, right down, bottom left, right up. And now you have you have solved the white side and the first layer. So now you need to get these edge pieces in where they belong. So this is orange and green. First you need to make a white, or a T. This is an orange T right there, and then down. So you need to match it up and then move this the opposite direction of that color. So if it's green and green is right there, you need to move it away of green. So right there. So to do that, you're going to bottom left, right down, bottom right, right up. And now you're going to do bottom right, front right, bottom left, front left. And now you got the piece in, and you have that. Now let's do the red and blue side. So make a T, move it away from the color, so move it away from blue. So that means bottom left, right down, bottom right, right up, bottom right, front right, bottom left, front left. Now you have that piece in. Now let's do it for blue and orange. So move it away from orange. Bottom left, right down, bottom right, right up, bottom right, front right, bottom left, front left. Now you got that piece in as well. So if you have a piece like this, you are just going to do that exact algorithm. Bottom left, right down, bottom right, right up, bottom right, front right, bottom left, front left. And you have got that piece out. Now you need to find green and red and do the same as before. Move it away from red, so bottom left, right down, bottom right, right up, bottom right, front right, bottom left, front left. Now you've solved the second layer. So I will see you next time for part 2. And yeah, see you guys. Peace.